Hey everyone, this is Mason Hutchison, and welcome back to Herb Rally, your daily herbal podcast. We come out with new episodes about 5 days a week, so be sure to tune in often. Our goal for the show is to help you along your herbalist journey, no matter what stage you're at. We have over 586 episodes, so feel free to peruse those episodes, and you're bound to find something of interest. Today's episode is just short and sweet. I wanted to let you know about Ecoversity and their new herbalism program. I met with a team at Ecoversity last week, and I was just frankly super impressed by the depth of this new herbalism program that they have coming out. First of all, they said Rosemary Gladstar. They just got done filming with Rosemary Gladstar, so of course that always piques my interest. But I'll include a link to Ecoversity's new course in the description. So you can check out more information there and get on their waiting list. They do have like a early registration discount. So if you're digging what you see, you could get an early registration discount. There's also, you could use coupon code HERBRALLY at checkout. You'll save 5%, and the program's not cheap, so 5% actually is quite a bit of money. So inside this online program, you will learn directly from lineage and wisdom keepers about the ancient roots and sacred healing powers of all things herbalism. You'll learn over 100 plus plant uses and therapeutics for over 50 plus ailments. You'll learn from a diverse teaching roster spanning many climates, cultures, and lineages, including Rosemary Gladstar, as well as Sobande Greer, Seraphina Capranos, Adriana Ayales, Pam Montgomery, Dr. Mary Bove, Sarah Wu, Emily Ruff, Asia Dorsey, and many more. And apologies if I messed up any of those names. I'm familiar with a lot of them, but there was a couple in there that I probably butchered, so apologies. You'll uncover natural remedies for various ailments. You'll understand and learn the art of plant spirit medicine and the difference between folk and standard methods. And really a lot more. As usual, I don't want to read the entire website, but you get the idea. Another fun thing to add is you actually get Rising Appalachia for your online graduation. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure Rising Appalachia also teaches one of the classes inside of the program. So that's pretty neat. So yeah, one more time, if you'd like to check out Ecoversity's new herbalism program, I'll leave a link in the show notes. And a lot of times we include affiliate links, which basically means if you use our affiliate link to register, we make a small commission on that sale. So just full disclosure, that is an affiliate link. All that to say, I did meet with their team last week. They seem like awesome people. Seems like an awesome school. And of course, you could tell by the teacher lineup that it's going to be good stuff. So yeah, check out Ecoversity if you're looking for an online school. And that's going to do it for me today. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.